So to begin with, there is something that is very important that you have to know, is that you have two parts for your mind. You have the conscious mind and the unconscious mind. Of course, this is just an analogy, but it's a very important concept because your conscious mind is like the part of your brain who will like plan things, who will like organize the things that you want to do in your life, but can only manage between like 5 and 9 information at the time. And your unconscious mind is way more powerful because it can manage like million of information at the same time. And to give you a good analogy, your unconscious mind is like a boat and your conscious mind is like the captain. Of course, the captain has to tell where the boat should go when you are in the sea. But the captain cannot do everything. The boat, your unconscious mind, has a lot of things to do. He has a lot of technical things, a lot of different kind of technology problems, and whereas the boat has million and million of things to do at the same time in order to go in the sea thanks to technology. But in your body is exactly the same thing because it's your unconscious mind that makes your heart beat. It's your unconscious mind that makes you breathe. It's your unconscious mind that gives you all your emotions, all your sensations, and everything. And of course, all these things are like an automatical procedure. That means that it is your conscious mind that has to give your unconscious mind some information in order for you to plan your life. And in reality, your unconscious mind is also like a child. For it, everything is possible. I mean everything, because it's a place where you have all your desires, your dreams, everything that you truly want in your life. They are part of your unconscious mind. But fortunately, we have both part of minds, because if we didn't have the conscious mind, we weren't be able to analyze ourselves. Like we will be still in love, but there won't be a part in your brain, in our brain, telling us, "Oh, I'm in love with this person." So we would only feel all the emotions, all the sensations, but without to have like a kind of analysis procedure to do so. So the conscious mind and the unconscious mind are working very well together. And in reality, when you have a problem, it is often because your conscious mind is not aligned with your unconscious mind. Like you are thinking something, but your unconscious mind is doing another thing. And that's the good procedure is always to have your conscious mind well aligned with your unconscious mind, so you are very well with yourself and you can move forward.